Hey guys, it's Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property. Today we're going to be doing some rust stain removals on this concrete right here, this driveway. A lot of owners have older cars, older vehicles, trailers, RVs, anything. They just park in the driveway, let sit over for years. This homeowner is no different. They had an old car that they never really ran anymore. He ended up selling it and they realized, oh my god, all that rust from the undercarriage got onto my concrete. Well, they gave us a call. We get that cleaned up for them. We had previously did this house for a concrete cleaning for the driveway and everything. They just wanted the concrete to look a lot better. I told them, hey, we got some rust stains right here. We can remove them right now. It's gonna have to charge you a little bit more. You know, it's a whole separate service because it takes a lot more precision and different chemicals. But no, let's just see how it works out. I was like, you're gonna call me back in a week, my man, just to get it off. And he was like, no, I don't know, I don't think so. He was perfectly happy with the concrete clean that we did earlier, about a week ago. And then he called me back yesterday and was like, hey, I know you said I'd call you back again for this rust, and you were right. So yeah, just listen to the professionals, all right? We've been through this enough times to know what people are gonna want. Had to charge them for an entire separate invoice. Came out the travel expenses, the operation services, everything like that. If you just listened to me beforehand, it would have been a lot cheaper. But yeah, so let's get this rust stain removal going. All right guys, so let's start off with this rust removal process. We're gonna be using a chemical called F9. It's for oxidation and rust removal on concrete. You're gonna be letting it dwell for a little bit, going over with the pressure washer and the surface cleaner one more time to make sure it's completely lifted off of the surface. Then we're going to be doing a second application right here. Same amount of dwell time, same process. And then we're actually going to be adding some scrubbing into this too to make sure it really lifts off the concrete. Also, you remember how I told him how he's going to be calling me back in a week? Well, I told him about this sidewalk as well in front of his house. He's like, no, just do the driveway. You know what? I just don't really care about the sidewalk. And after us cleaning the driveway, he said, yeah, I wish you did the sidewalk the first time. So we just added that on here. But yeah, this has been Tony with Aqua Cleansing. Take pride in your property.